What's Mama doing? What's Mama doing?
First shoes. First shoes. Yay. First shoes. Let's feel those big toes. See, there's a little bit of room to grow.
Are those your shoes? Are those your new shoes?
Just gotta taste them. What do you think?
Are you ready to go? James?
Do you like your shoes? You like your shoes? They're shoes.